In this video, I am going to show you how to add a number counter to your website using Elfsight. 1. Head over to Elfsight and select the number counter widget from the menu. 2. Click on Create Widget and choose a template that suits your website's style and requirements. 3. On the Content tab, add and customize the fields you need to for your counter. Fine-tune the arrangement and behavior of elements on the Layout tab. Visit the Settings and Style tabs to change your widget's design, including colors, animation speed, and font size. And after that, click Join to install. You can sign up if you are not already logged in. Save the widget within your Elfsight apps account. And then you will see an HTML code provided. Copy it and then log into your WordPress, add an HTML block and pass the code to your website, and you will see the counter number widget on your website. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.